Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting a firm apple and rinsing it clean. This reduces slipping. Once rinsed, remove the sticker and trim a small flat patch so the apple sits steady. Place the apple stem up and line the core with the slicer hub. This ensures even wedges. Hold the base or use a non-slip mat to keep movement minimal. Now, position your hands on the handles and get ready to complete the first decisive motion. You should press down with even, controlled force so blades slice through the apple uniformly. Once centered, squeeze both handles together in one smooth motion. Avoid rocking, which creates uneven wedges. After the blades reach the cutting board, maintain pressure for a beat to separate cores cleanly. If your slicer has a thickness setting, make that adjustment first, because changing mid-press leads to jams. Make sure blades are sharp. Dull blades increase crushing versus cutting. So once the blades have passed through, lift the slicer straight up to avoid tearing the wedges. You can use a thin spatula or fork to ease slices out. Don't use fingers near blades. Rinse the slicer immediately and, if needed, soak in warm soapy water for 5 to 10 minutes before scrubbing. This prevents buildup. If you encounter a jam or uneven slices, stop, realign the apple and clear any core debris, then press again with steady pressure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.